I think one of the hardest things about being vegan is realizing that you can't force everyone to understand. You can tell them that animals are individuals, that they don't exist for us to use, but the person in front of you still doesn't get it. I used to think I just needed better arguments, but I realized that I can't convince every single person I talk to. I have to keep speaking up. Because maybe that one person isn't ready to hear it yet, but someone else watching is. So that's one reason I want more vegans to create content. One conversation reaches one person, and one video can reach 1,000. Imagine the ripple effect if all of us used our voices like that. Day 2 of 100. Let's make veganism impossible to ignore.